Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to register as a teacher on Superprof. So you can create your tutor profile and start getting contacted by students. So first open up your browser and go to Superprof website, click become a tutor, and in the top right then sign in using your Google account. Choose your account and tap continue. After you sign up, you'll be asked to fill out a few questions to complete your tutor ad. Start by entering a short, clear title for your ad. Then add your lesson details. Keep this part detailed so that students can know exactly what they will learn. After that, write a short about you section. Make it friendly and explain what makes you a good tutor. Next, add the location for your lessons. You can also select the language speak if you want, so this part is optional. Set your hourly rate. The average rate is around $14 per hour. Enter your telephone number when it asks for it. And finally, upload a clear profile picture. And once everything is completed, your tutor ad will be created and students will be able to contact you. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, please leave a like. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.